Isn't this place amazing? This is crazy. एक अलग ही बात है इसका. हेलो नमस्ते सलाम अलैकुम फ्रॉम कोलकाता. जयपुर से आने के बाद मैं बहुत दिन बाद फिर से ब्लॉग कर रहा हूँ. बहुत काम पेंडिंग था कोलकाता में, तो उसके वजह से और मन भी नहीं कर रहा था ब्लॉगिंग करने का, क्योंकि ट्रैवल पीरियड जो होता है उस टाइम में मुझे सबसे अच्छा लगता है ब्लॉग बनाने. लेकिन कोलकाता में अभी काम भी था, उसके साथ एक टायर्डनेस जो हैंगओवर था ट्रिप का वो भी चल रहा था. लेकिन अभी तो घर से निकलना है और भी बहुत कुछ काम पेंडिंग है. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट काम जो है वो है ये. दिस इज़ माई कैमरा जिससे मैं व्लॉग करता हूँ और फ़ोटोज़ भी क्लिक करता हूँ. तो उसका हालत अभी ये है. लेट मी शो यू क्या हालत है इसका. तो ये है मेरा कैमरा और मैं जब फ़ोटो क्लिक कर रहा हूँ तो ये हालत है स्क्रीन का. यू कैन सी बेरंग हो चुका है, सब धुंधला धुंधला सा दिख रहा है, एकदम मेरा ज़िंदगी की तरह. तो अभी जो मेरा स्टेटस चल रहा है लाइफ का वो बिल्कुल ऐसा ही है. मेरा मुंबई जाने का जो प्लान था उसको मैंने पोस्टपोन किया, बिकॉज़ अभी जो है डबल वैक्सीनेशन लेके ट्रैवल करो, क्योंकि ये RT-PCR का जो माथामारी है उसको नहीं लेना है दिमाग में. तो डबल वैक्सीनेशन के बाद जाएंगे और बहुत जल्दी होगा. आई थिंक अराउंड नेक्स्ट वीक माई सेकेंड वैक्सीन का डोज है, तो उसके बाद मुंबई निकलेंगे. लेकिन उससे पहले इस कैमरा को ठीक करना है. और ये कैमरा जहाँ पे मैं लेके जाऊँगा ठीक कराने के लिए, ये जगह बहुत ही स्पेशल है. जब भी मैं जाता हूँ यहाँ पे एक अलग सा फीलिंग होता है, एक नॉस्टैल्जिया, एक अलग सा वाइब चलता है दिमाग में. व्हेन एवर आई रीच द प्लेस आई गेट दैट वाइब. तो चलते हैं वहाँ पे और वहाँ का एक अलग सा जो फीलिंग है आज आई विल शो यू. कोलकातन्स दे नो दिस फीलिंग, द प्लेस आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. लेकिन बाकी सब लोग को थोड़ा दिखाते हैं इस जगह का स्पेशलिटी. चलते हैं वहाँ पे. I think you have realized where I am right now. I'm just beside the Indian Museum, the Addison Lane, which is called the famous old Sadar Street. So यहाँ पे एक अलग सा फीलिंग है whenever I enter this place. And मेरा कैमरा का जो दुकान है वो थोड़ा बगल में है. As I have said, whenever I come to this place, I make sure that I visit this street, Sadar Street. Sadar Street is one of the oldest lanes of Kolkata. This particular lane is full with eateries, budget hotels, boutiques, and a lot of old architectures. It's called the Backpackers Paradise. Due to COVID, tourists abhi nahi hai, but if you visit this place during the peak season, during the normal time, this entire street is full with foreigners. As I said, it's a Backpackers Paradise. So let me take you to a cafe which is inside a hotel, an iconic hotel which is more than 250 years old. I can guarantee you, when you enter this place, the vibe you will get is absolutely nostalgic. The feel of Calcutta, not Kolkata, is inside this place. So let's take you to the hotel, which is called the Elgin Phelan, a heritage hotel since 1783. कैफे खुला है? कैफे? हाँ? ये वाला यहाँ बैठ जाओ वहाँ पर उसमें। At the Garden Cafe inside the Fialon Hotel, and as I said, it will give you a different kind of vibe. Absolutely very special. The colonial era is visible still in this hotel. It's still visible. So let's order and then let's talk. We are having a menu here. So I have ordered one peach and jasmine green tea, and here's the cookie, and here is my guest here. Hello. Hi. What's up? This is really nice. This is really nice. I am not a green tea person. Those who follow my vlogs, they know I don't at all like green tea, but this is something else. It is really nice. This is called peach and jasmine green tea. If you go through the menu in the video, you can pause it and you can see the list of the green tea available here. It's really nice. Highly recommended. Isn't this place amazing? This is crazy. एक अलग ही बात है इसका. So the Fialon Hotel goes back to 1783, more than 250 years old, and founded by Mr. William Ford. And after that, after so many years, I still remember the last time when I was here, I met a lady called Violet Smith, who was the owner of this place that time. I think it's around 2010 or 11. I'm talking about 10 years back. She was around 87 or 88 years old, and she was such a nice and gorgeous lady. I still remember her face. And after she passed away, the hotel has been bought by the Elgin Hotels. So now they are managing the hotel, and hats off to the entire team of Elgin. They have kept the place as it was way back. So I can guarantee you, if you come here, you will feel the same vibe which was there long, long ago. Yeah, thank you so much. So here is the next dish. It's called the grilled chicken Caesar salad sandwich. So let's have a bite. Amazing. और यहाँ पे कोई तो है पीछे जो मेरे खाने को नज़र दे रहा है. So the Elgin Fairlawn, they're having 19 rooms, 19, and they're extraordinary. The royal feeling that every room has, the heritage feeling is absolutely different. So I just had a look. I was not allowed to shoot inside, so couldn't capture inside, but you can have a look in their website, the Elgin Heritage Hotel, the Elgin Fairlawn Heritage Hotel. You can go to the website and check the pictures inside the rooms. And let me tell you, the guest list of this hotel. Just 4 names. 1. Gunter Grass. Number 2. Michael Palin. Number 3. Sting. And number 4. Our very own Shashi Kapoor. So you can have an idea about this hotel and its heritage. So all the guys and girls who are outside Kolkata, who want to come to Kolkata, have a experience of the Calcutta feeling, I will just request them to spend a day or two in this hotel to feel the vibe, to feel the flavor of the old Calcutta. It's absolutely worth my recommendation and my guarantee. Please do spend some time here. For a long time I wanted to make this vlog here at Fairlawn, so finally aaj hua, and I really wanted you guys to have a look of this place. I hope you will love this video, you will love this vlog. Please do share and subscribe, and और एक बात, जल्दी वैक्सीन ले लो. And ये जो एक अभी उठा है this thing, wherever I go I hear this thing, third wave आ रहा है, third wave is coming. ये सब कुछ नहीं है. Please take all the precautions. कुछ थर्ड और फोर्थ वेव नहीं आएगा. Just maintain the precautions and the distance. Everything will be fine. So see you in the next vlog, and we'll be traveling very soon. So stay tuned and keep watching my vlogs. See you guys.